Hey everybody, this is Mr. Taylor, and today I want to show you how to construct a personal learning plan, or a PLP, using Google Sites. And this is mostly for kids who do not have a PLP constructed yet. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come up to your upper left, you're going to click on New, and if you hit More, you should see Google Sites. So you're going to click on Google Sites. My computer's taken a little bit of time to load, so this brings me to a blank Google site. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to title our front page. I'm going to call it Don's PLP. That's number one. Number two, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to write the site name is 2020 Taylor PLP, and I also want to click up here to make sure that that's going to be part of my URL. So I've already created the first page of my PLP. It's called Don's PLP. 2020 Taylor PLP is the URL. And this is where I'm going to have my introduction, my biography paragraph, and also a self-portrait. Now, if you look over to your right, you'll see there's a basic menu. And that basic menu has Insert, Pages, and Themes. Today we're going to work mostly with pages. So in your pages, you'll see at the bottom there's a little plus sign. It's kind of hidden at the bottom. I moved it out of the way so you can see that. And on that plus sign, you're going to be using that to create different pages of your PLP. So I'm going to hit plus, a new page, and the first page I'm going to put are goals. So shortly we'll be setting goals, so we want to have a goals page. I click done. The next page I want to hit is evidence. As I develop evidence of achieving proficiency and evidence that I'm meeting my goals, we want to post that on our PLP. We also are going to be focusing on citizenship. So I have a citizenship page, and last we have an exploration page. So that's a real simple start. You can use this menu. If you click and hold, you see you can drag and drop your pages in different orders. You also can see that your pages show up in your navigation bar at the top, right? And so these are where you're going to be putting your goals, your evidence, your citizenship experiences, and your exploration. As we move through the year, you'll be building out your PLP to reflect your growth and learning and how you're getting ready for your next life and learning stage. Thanks very much, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your instructor. Have a great day.